Our concept of Bottles for Change, as I said, challenges that thought that plastic is waste. We are here trying to create an awareness among general public that plastic is not waste. What is wrong with us is our habit of throwing plastic around. Stop treating plastic as waste because plastic is 100% recyclable. Every bit of plastic can be recycled.
Bottle for Change is not a just CSR initiative. It's a revolutionary thought where we are aimed to create awareness about not treating plastic as a waste.
We want people to understand that instead of throwing in the waste bin, if after use you just clean the plastic, please clean the plastic, segregate it and send it directly for recycling.
We emphasize on plastic recycling and creating a value chain of use clean plastic. Actually, used plastic is not a waste, it's a recyclable resource.
So now we are adding more and more societies in Bottle for Change program every day, and Datta Ramanan Society is one of the 600 societies that we have already enrolled in the program. So we contact the members of the society and arrange an awareness session with them. So later when the awareness session is there, we talk about the whole concept of Bottle for Change program, why we emphasize on cleaning the plastic and sending it for recycling. So once the society is part of Bottle for Change program, we ask them to clean plastic, collect it separately, and the housekeeping staff is accordingly trained. They take it from the household and give it to the recycler or the nearest plastic agent for recycling.
Bottles for Change team is visiting stakeholders on daily basis to make them aware about our program. In the last 1 year under Bottles for Change program, we have reached out more than 15 lakhs individuals, 600 societies, 250 schools and colleges and 300 corporates.
So it's been 6 months since when Datta Ramanan Society is part of Bottle for Change program, and all the members of the society are happily collecting plastic at their home, cleaning it and giving it to their housekeeping staff, which eventually gives it to the nearest plastic agent and it directly goes for recycling.
I'm Anil Sathe, member of this society. We as a society are very happy to be participating in this process, Bottles for Change. It is a very simple process essentially. We need to just clean the plastic and hand it over to our housekeeping staff.
I'm glad to be a part of Bottles for Change program as I feel more responsible towards my surroundings.
Earlier I did not know about plastic recycling, but with a Bottles for Change initiative, now I know that even plastic has value even after use.
I feel good when I do my bit for environment by not sending the plastic to the waste.
It feels so good that not even a single plastic item goes into waste. The whole thought of sending plastic into recycling makes me so proud.
हम लोग सोचते हैं प्लास्टिक बुरा है, लेकिन प्लास्टिक बुरा नहीं है, हमारी आदतें बुरी है। हम लोग प्लास्टिक यूज़ करके ऐसे ही फेंक देते हैं, लेकिन प्लास्टिक साफ करके अलग रख के वो रिसाइकल को देते हैं तो वो अच्छा रहता है, वो एक वरदान ही रहेगा।